Hello guys, my name is Rob and welcome to a new video of the Nashorn restoration. In this video I will show you how I made the bullet deflector for the Nashorn, which is positioned right here at the bottom of the round shield that encloses the main gun. By the way, these are the new design shirts. You can order them through emailing nashornfund@gmail.com, which is also in the description down below. We made the measurements based on information we got from several sources, of which one was Hilary Doyle, and of course many original pictures. Based on this information we made a drawing. The strips I'm cutting here are for the front, and the wider strip that is arced is for the top. I made one side first to see how it fits. The plasma cutter was not fixed at this time, so the angle grinder had to make do. To get correct shape from paper to the steel, our draftsman set lines on the drawing with measurements that we could transfer to the steel, then connect the dots. That's why you see all the markings on the side. Test fitting here. I saw that the shape was a little bit off, but nothing major. Using the shield to mark the correct shape, and when that fits, use this one as a template for the other side. The front straps were left too long, but now I know the correct length. Still a bit more shaping to do here before it's acceptable. Needed a little end plate that has the same angle as the shield. After one side was done, I could use it as a template for the left side. Next video I will tack weld all together and finish the bullet deflector. Although we still need to find out how to attach it originally to the Nashorn. See you next week for the next video and don't forget to subscribe.